So Sagarika will come and she would introduce Mr. Pradeep Kumar. And after Mr. Pradeep Kumar completes his speech, we will have two other speakers addressing you.
Good afternoon to one and all. I'm absolutely delighted to introduce and invite Mr. Pradeep Kumar Garu, VP HR of Nagarjuna Fertilizers. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Garu is an engineer graduate from REC Warangal and holds master's degree in management from Jamnalal Bajaj Mumbai University. He is also a patent holder on talent management process. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Garu joined as Vice President HR for Nagarjuna Fertilizers in November 2015. He is now Vice President HR, IT and iKisan Education Business. Prior to this, he was a HR and the Management Committee member in ITW Signode Industrial Group, responsible for the HR business in India and in Middle East and in Africa. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Garu has started his career with the Tata Group, ACC, and subsequently was with the Saint Gobain Group. Mr. Pradeep Kumar Garu has championed cause for the ITW Signode to achieve the IIM AHD HR Excellence Award in the year 2009. Inspire Awards in 2011 and 12. Employer Branding Awards in 2009 and 2010. And the most coveted award Hewitt's Best Employer for 2013. He is a member of the Human Resource and Employee Relation Panels of CII, Employer Federation of South India. He aspires to author a book and had several research articles published. May I now invite Mr. K. Pradeep Kumar Garu onto the dais.
Yeah, good afternoon. IPE is one of the renowned educational institute, good to have in Hyderabad, because possibly in 90s not much was there in Hyderabad, so we had to go into several institutes outside AP also. Okay, so they invited me to speak on the inaugural session. I think this is the first day for all of you, or second day. Okay, right. So during this time, what else we need to speak? I thought I would give some snippets which may not be taken so seriously, but something which are very important, especially when you are building your career, right? So let's start it making it little bit involved, a little bit participative, so that you don't doze off or check your WhatsApps when I am actually speaking, because all the work by us and all the enjoyment by you is unfair, right? So I request that you participate in the dialogue so that we'll make this a little bit more enjoyable post-lunch. Okay, all of you are with me? Right, so we'll start with the quiz. All of you, I am sure, have done your exams very well. So the first is, I will quickly ask some questions, and I will say some statement, then there will be a question. The moment you know the answer, at the peak of your voice, shout and give the answer. Right? Is it okay? Right, so let's start it. If 1 is equal to 5, 2 is equal to 10, 3 is equal to 15, 4 is equal to 20, 5 is equal to? What was the first statement of the question? So what is 5 is equal to? Welcome to management. Okay. Right. Engineering doesn't work. Yeah. So logics are important. So please make it very clear that you are actually fully geared up, because something which looks very obvious is not necessarily taught in management. What is taught in books, what is there in books may not be there in the classroom. What is there in the classroom may not be there in the practice. So this is a great opportunity for you to make a good connect and then build your own career. right? That's where things should happen. Okay, so that's where you know where do you stand now. Okay, so lots of work and lot of practice has to be built in. If somebody said 5 is equal to 25, then guys, that's not the right answer. Okay, so let's look at the other one, right? I have some small questions again. No need to note down. These are some stupid questions possibly. What I suggest is don't answer, but the moment when I ask, then you answer, right? All of you for a moment close your eyes. Believe me, I will not do anything naughty, right? All of you please close your eyes, right? Think of the day, same day in 2021, okay? We are on 2021, same day in July. I would like to know what vehicle you are driving, what is the salary you would like to earn per annum, which company you are working with, and what position. Please open your eyes, right, and may I have the answers. What is the vehicle you are driving? Yeah. Flying car, okay, right. There's some gizmos goes around. What is that with the 4 fans or something? Okay, yeah, something like that. Right, anybody else? What vehicle are you driving? Yeah? Can't understand. Okay, go ahead. Right. It's a camera. What? Okay, I am asking what vehicle. Is it a vehicle? Okay, I asked which vehicle are you driving? Okay, right. Anybody else? Which vehicle are you driving? Okay. You don't have any aspirations? Right, fine. So, how much salary are you earning in 2021? How much salary are you earning per annum? Yeah? Yeah, go ahead. 8 lakhs per annum? Per session, okay. What is the session duration? 8 hours, okay. So, almost like 1 lakh rupees per hour, okay. Good tariff rates, okay. Anybody else? What salary? Yeah, I think only this section. Rest of the sections are what? They are under ragging? I don't know. Is it permitted? Okay. There are some seniors. They are the seniors guys, is it? Huh? Okay. So the rest of the people would have said, okay, shut up. I will go into answer. Okay, right. Anybody else? Okay, please go ahead.
I'm not earning any salary. I'm giving salaries.
Wonderful. Round of applause to him. Right. Okay, he is paying salaries. Okay, which company are you working with? Anybody? But I joined here to serve some company or start some company. Which company? Yeah?
My own entrepreneurship.
Do you know the name?
Popsography.
Okay. Anybody else? You start your own company. Very important when you are doing, especially on the start, have your own aspirations. In this 2 minutes or 1 minute, you close your eyes and said, this is what would be my aspiration. This is what I would earn. This is what I would do. Right? There are different sorts of people in life. One is that they will set an aspiration here. Right? And then once they go back out of the session or after my completion, this is, अरे यार वो कितना था कुछ बोल के गया, don't worry, वो सब नहीं होने वाला. Right? All that will not happen. All the cars, what we thought, all the salaries, it will not happen. So what they do is, from this aspiration, they will say, okay, this is the current reality, I will achieve only one. Okay, instead of having an Audi car, they will say, I will have a Maruti car. Nothing wrong in having a Maruti car. But it is up to you to reach your aspiration. Right? The moment you are reducing your aspiration, right, you are actually giving up your purpose of doing management. Earning is not so important. Right? You are trying to do something more. So aspirations is an very important element. And yes, some people have an ambition to start a company. I think you are already late. So what is that extra effort you are doing to make sure that you will start it after 2 years or you will start from yesterday? Is something. Have you registered your firm? Right? Have you targeted your company? If you have targeted a company, have you gone through their balance sheets? Are you master of that particular subject? What products are they doing? How many people are there? What sort of business are they in? All these are important aspects which you guys need to do. Okay, you cannot say that tomorrow is a job interview, I will go through the balance sheets. You will be completely bold. Okay, so make your homework absolutely clear. And if you have to earn so many lakhs of rupees, if you have to charge 1 lakh rupees per hour, what is the additional value addition that guy will get? So are you having such a knowledge that the business will not know that they are ready to pay? Yes, true, many companies would like to pay as long as there is a value. So first is logics, second is aspirations are very important. I know you are all doing education, right? All of you are students, nothing wrong. But if you are looking at education for employment, then possibly this is not the right place. You need to do education to be an entrepreneur. You need to do an education so that there is an enhancement. If you are trying to restrict yourself to get an employment, then I think you are having a very short term or actually very little ambition. You need to make sure that you work for, you use your education for your enhancement of people resources, enhancements of technology, enhancements of science, enhancements of management, right? Or else be an entrepreneur. Education should not end only with what we call as employment. So increase your aspect so that you are not just be employable, but actually you grow much beyond that. Right? I know your parents would have said, IPE will give you good employment chances. Yeah, true, nothing wrong. But what else will you achieve more than just being employable? Yeah, short term there is nothing wrong in saying that you want to be employable, but you need to do something more so that you are not just employable. Because again, will you do a PhD to get further more employable chances is something which you need to see. So whatever you do in these 2 years, you are enhancing your own subject, you are enhancing your own knowledge, and you all actually are enhancing your own careers. Then there was something interesting. How many of you are not on Facebook or WhatsApp? Please raise your hands. How many of you do not have Facebook nor WhatsApp? Okay, we have 1, 2, rest of the people are shy. Okay, they can say, oh, how can is that? I don't have a WhatsApp or a Facebook, right? Okay, so how many of you are members of any professional body? Professional body. You may be engineers, IEEE, you may be some professional bodies, NHRDs or any other, CII. Okay, very few. Okay, the research says that the people who are very active on social networking, which is through web, let it be Facebook or let it be WhatsApp, their employability chances are actually 33% lower than those people who have professional social networking. Right? Professional social networking is being a member of some professional body, which is an industry body, maybe an education body, or maybe else. So the more you are active on something which is on web social networking, I am no way saying don't do Facebooks and WhatsApps. The only aspect is what I am saying is it gives somewhere between 30 to 38% based on the industry. In fact, IT industry is more cruel than a manufacturing industry. Service industry actually likes those people. The chances is close to losing is 30%. But IT industry you will lose by 38% not using Facebooks, for overusing Facebooks or let it be even WhatsApps. Possibly they believe that the more you use Facebooks and WhatsApps, I think we are undermining the work content. So the important aspect is this is in comparison with the professional social networking. So please use your the IPE Connect, which is there. Make yourself develop in terms of professional networking. Connect with your seniors. Connect with your authors, right? Connect with somebody who are coming as a guest lecturer, right? So that you can enhance your capability. So that you are not just stopping as being a student of this institute. You need to make use of this premises, make use of these events which are there, develop yourself in co-curricular as well as do more cross-connect so that you can grow wholesomely, not just on subject. Subject will give you some parameters. Yes, true. qualifications are important. But qualification is like you get an A4 size. A4 size paper, you all know? A4 size? Like even a death certificate is A4 size. That means somebody has passed. Okay? So a qualification is like a passed certificate. You know, when somebody says passed certificate, so that's the certificate which you will get. But what you get is from IPE or any other management institute is how much more you are deriving compared to your friend who is sitting next to you or somebody who is senior to you. So make use of your social networking, not just work towards getting a certificate. Yeah, grades are important, but wholesome development will increase your capability of being successful at work life. Okay. If your father has given you, or your whomever has sponsored you, your parents, if they have given you 2 crores, what do you do? They have given you 2 crores, what do you do? Pardon? Invest where? Yeah. Fixed deposits, share markets, investment banking, mutual funds, real estate. Okay. Do you know why did I ask this question? This is the money which your parents have put you here. Because the fees what you are paying in 10 years would be 2 crores. And they did not believe in real estate. They did not believe in mutual funds. They did not believe in something which is called share market. They believed in you. That's why you are here. You have put your own efforts. 2 crores. So are you making use of it? Is up to you. So if you think that if your parents have thought that put it in share market, put it in giving to an investment banker, they said no, let me believe in the people whom I believe. So they put that money into you. And without considering your earning capability in next 10 years, this is just the money which they have put in. Possibly the amount of money which they have spent over your education. Because after this, you are entering into something which is more open than a reserved sort of network which you have, which is built by your parents. So, what you did not believe, your parents believed. Am I able to communicate well? Yeah. So, you did not believe that I would put it in real estate, I will put it in share market, I will put it in somewhere else. I don't know whether you will put it the same thing to your children, if at all, if they are coming. But make sure that you make use of the money what somebody has invested in you. Okay, so remember, I am not your parent. Okay, neither am I your senior. I don't want to be a preacher here. So I am only saying, because that's what the subject. This is an inauguration thing, so something which the industry would like to see. The other important aspect is qualification and functional knowledge. You may be finance, you may be HR, you may be doing marketing, I don't know, whatever are the subjects which are there, insurance, etc. Qualification is much lower than expertise on the subject. So are you strong in your subject what you are reading, or the student of which you are pursuing is much more than just getting an postgraduate diploma. I don't know whether they serve postgraduate or they give something which is MBA. So if you are just getting a certificate, I would say that would not achieve your dreams of 2021. You need to be functional expertise. For the first 6 years, don't bring general management competencies. Bring functional competencies more. Be the subject matter experts. That's what you are hired for. So make use of this experience. I know some of you are engineers, then suddenly they have taken finance. Okay, just like in 3 Idiots, somebody said this guy doesn't know that he used some word called G, Jo. I don't know how many of you have seen 3 Idiots? How many of you not seen 3 Idiots? वो एक है ना वो बोलता है वो लंबा सा बोलता है कि I don't know why this guy is done this engineering and then he did MBA, now he is doing some investment banking. Okay, so right, pardon? So you guys may be moving on, right? But from here there's nothing move on. You need to be master of your subject. That's why you're given a master degree, right? Mastery has to be achieved. You cannot say, let me check with somebody else, because you will be having people below you and you cannot say, let me check. That means you are actually underrated your education in this institute. You are underrated your own professional capability. Nothing wrong in checking, but if you are master, then you are more wiser. So work towards being more mastery. Qualification is not very important. Mastery on the subject is very important. Where you are getting a functional expertise or a technical knowledge is much more important. So you need to do that little bit of extra, right? So the other last two is, yes, all this seems to be nice when we are speaking. Were you successful, Pradeep? Yeah, I don't know. But true, I started as an engineer, but later on realized that, okay, I'm not there. But slowly I moved into HR. But there is enormous amount of opportunities which the entrepreneurs or the leaders are ready to give, provided you take over, right? It's not necessary that a person needs to be mastery in certain subject once he grows into a general management category. But if we have to go into a general management category, you need to have mastery in at least two. The industry follows something which is called inverted T model. Inverted T model means expert of this, expert of that, and then you grow. Okay, so that means आपका फंडा अच्छा रहना चाहिए. You know what is फंडा? Fundamentals, right? अरे ये फंडा बहुत जाड़ रहा है यार, इसको अवॉइड करो. ये टीचर बहुत बोरिंग है, बहुत फंडा सिखाता है. Fundamentals are something which are foundations. If you ignore that, then it will be very difficult to do it. Okay, the last one. Management is very fond of acronyms and jargons, and I would say something which is called a 5P model, but I am not saying which is something which is a marketing model. I am presuming that you guys know what is sports, right? So Wimbledon, let it be cricket, or let it be something which is called football. If there is a match, does Virat Kohli practice? Yeah. Right. Does he need to practice? Why? He is already a master. Do you practice? How many days did you practice? One day. So, the guy who practice is very important. So, you will, even if Sachin Tendulkar, if he is duck out, he says, this guy has not done practice well. Okay. So imagine how much practice you need to do